Tembo, Tiny Tembo.
Kiduchu, kibena, la 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 la.
What's the problem, friends? Kibena, the peacemaker here, has 24 hours to get the ants to stop taking people's food and crops. The next step to conflict resolution is understanding both sides' point of view. The people have already made their views heard. Now it's time we talk to the ants. We need to know why they're taking so much food.
Oh, I love chatting with insects. I had a fascinating conversation with a termite once. You can't imagine the intricacies. Kibena, have you turned into one of those people with their head stuck in their phone?
Tiny Tembo?
Don't tell me you didn't believe elephants can do handstands.
I hadn't ever thought about it.
Whoa! Is this a phone or a computer?
It's both.
Both? But it's not big enough to have a computer inside it.
It's a smartphone. That means it can call people and send messages like a phone, but it can also access the internet like a computer.
The internet? What is that?
It's a network. Well, it connects things and people, and you can send messages with it. And, well, I'm not really sure what it actually is, but it has all these cool pages of information and pictures and videos.
Aww. The internet sounds fun. So, does the internet live inside the phone?
It lives.
Ooh, a message!
You see that message? That one just came through the internet.
Ooh, an internet message! Read it, read it, read it!
Wow!
A money tree!
That can't be real.
Why not?
Money doesn't just grow on trees.
Well, you didn't believe that elephants could do this until you saw it with your own eyes. And now you're seeing it right here. So it must be true.
Maybe.
We need to tell someone else. Let's send it to Kiduchu. Oh, we're gonna be rich! Sending to all contacts? Oh, no, 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 no! Oops.
Eh? A money tree? It can't be.
Oh, have you heard?
You sent it to all BB's contacts? Now everyone is going to know about the money tree.
We need to find it first, before all the money is gone.
I know. Let's go and find it early tomorrow morning, before anyone else is awake.
Good idea, Kibena. Looks like I gotta go now. It's bath time for us elephants. A money tree, I'm as happy as can be. I'll buy all the pumpkins I can see with money from the money tree.
Money tree.
We're gonna need to find something to measure meters.
I know who can help. Tembo, Tiny Tembo. Tembo, Tiny Tembo. Kibena, Kibena, Kibena. Titi, you're the best. You're always here to help. Whenever we call you, you always turn up. You're amazing.
Of course I am. That's what friends are for. So what do you need?
So, we need to find a way to measure 20 meters of rope so that we can make sure when we go up in the sky, we go exactly 20 meters high.
Let's see. I know that from tail to trunk, I'm exactly 2 meters. So I guess you could use me to measure 2 meters at a time.
That's a great idea.
So, this is 2 meters. And that's another 2 meters.
Now that's 4 meters. Because 2 meters plus 2 meters is 4 meters. So guys, we keep going like this, adding 2 meters each time until we get to 20 meters. How many lengths of an elephant till we get to 20 meters? How many lengths of an elephant till we get to 20 meters? How many lengths of an elephant till we get to 20 meters?
That's the same as 9 Tiny Tempos, which is 18 meters.
You only need one more.
That's 10 Tiny Tempos.
That makes 20 meters. You know that if you take 10 of me and I'm 2 meters long, then that's the same as saying 10 times 2. And what's 10 times 2?
20.
Ah, I get it. So Tiny Tembo is 2 meters long, and you took 10 Tiny Tembo's length. 2 times 10 is 20. Then 10 Tiny Tembos is the same as 20 meters. Come on, kids. Let's go 20 meters up into the sky.
We'll have to leave that end of the rope on the ground. Then, once we get to this spot, we'll know that we're 20 meters in the air.
I'll hold the end of the rope for you.
But aren't you coming with us?
I like to keep my feet firmly on the ground. Plus, I'm not so sure that a balloon will fly with the weight of an elephant inside.
Wait, how many meters do you weigh?
Gedere, meters measure length or distance. How long or how far. To measure weight, you need kilograms.
Oh, well, I guess I need to learn those too.
We'll teach you, Ndege, but let's just leave that for another day. Right now, it's time to measure 20 meters up.
Okay, all aboard.
Whoa! We can see everything from up here.
Measurements! 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 Measurements!
Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements!
Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements!
There are a lot of measurements I'm talking about here. There are millimeters, centimeters, even meters. There are still some more you will learn later on. Measurements are used to compare and differentiate. Just use them for everything that you'll need. Don't be surprised, they will all work indeed. Rats and elephant tails have been used. It doesn't stop there, even pea pods too. Why are you laughing? Please don't laugh. When there's a will, there's a way, I say. Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements!
Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements!
There are a lot of measurements I'm talking about here. I repeat again, there are different types of measurements I'm talking about here. Ruler is used to measure length. I think everybody knows about this. Even your feet, step by step. I repeat to say, step by step. In the village, they measure farms of 1 acre by 70 feet wide and 70 feet long. They distribute farms, even selling them too. There's no argument when measurements are used. Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements!
Measurements.
Measurements!
Measurements of length.
Measurements!
Measurement of width.
Measurements!
And measurement of height.
Measurements! Measurements!
So this is 20 meters, eh?
Yeah.
Look, it's Kiduchu. And look over that way. There's an X. It's like what's the rat said. You'll see an X.
Can you land us over there?
I don't know. That looks dangerous. There are too many trees. But I can take you down by Kiduchu over there.
It'll be too hard to find it through all those trees. From here, we have the best view.
We can stay up here to keep it in sight. Then instruct Kiduchu where to go.
Kiduchu! 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 Kiduchu, we found the spot, but we can't land there. Wait, we'll give you directions and you have to follow them. Then you get to the treasure. Okay, Kiduchu, turn to right and walk along the river. Now cross the bridge. Walk straight into the forest. Turn left. Now a little to the right. Go left again. Keep going. You're almost there. We can't land there, Kiduchu. And how are we going to find you with no one to give us directions from above?
Go to the bridge and you'll find the way.
What now? Where do we go? Kiduchu told us to go to the bridge and that we'll find our way from there. But I don't know how. Look!
Yeah, the way has been marked for us.
All right, let's go.
Follow the people through the woods. How many meters will we go? We measure distance, width, and length with peoples, elephants, and steps. Follow the people through the woods. How many meters will we go? We measure distance, width, and length with peoples, elephants, and steps. Follow the people through the woods. How many meters will we go? We measure distance, width, and length with peoples, elephants, and steps. Follow the people through the woods. How many meters will we go? We measure distance, width, and length with peoples, elephants, and steps.
Kiduchu, what's this treasure?
I was waiting for you guys so we could look together. Being first isn't actually very fun if you're all by yourself. Let's find the treasure together.
Well, the rat said X marks the spot. So, the treasure might be under the X. Guys, it may be gold coins.
Or candy. Or football boots.
What?
What kind of treasure is that?
It's one of the most valuable treasures of all. It's the treasure of measure.
What now?
I have been watching you kids. It was hard work, wasn't it? Trying to measure out distance in steps, measuring out rat tails in peapots, and even measuring out rope in Tiny Tempos.
That was exhausting.
That's That's why we've created standard ways to measure things. It's not just any stick, it's a meter stick. No matter where you are or who you are, a meter doesn't change. It's this long.
Okay.
And that's important because it allows us to talk about length and distance in the same way. Imagine if you were building a house for Uncle T. You'll know that the roof should be very, very high. But how high? If you measure Uncle T in meters, then you could make sure the roof is taller than Uncle T. It has to be higher than 5 meters. So, if you have a meter stick, you can measure meters. And you know how tall the roof needs to be so that it is taller than Uncle T, even if Uncle T isn't there.
Yeah, and that way you wouldn't have to use an elephant to measure it.
Oi, did someone say Uncle T?
I go to school because I want to do well, and now I'm going to fail this assignment. What is my purpose in studying math? Do I really study math only to get good grades?
Come on now, you know you don't.
Do I study math because maybe I want to become an astronaut or musician or film director?
Come on, Kibena, think harder.
Mysterious voice. Maybe my purpose in studying math is to become a mathematician? No. It's to
Help me!
Huh? Tiny Tembo? Tiny Tembo, what are you doing down there?
I was just storing pumpkins. I want to open a pumpkin bank. You know, I've always wanted to be self-employed, so I'm giving this pumpkin bank a shot to see if it will work.
A pumpkin bank? Won't the pumpkins rot?
I don't know, but I'm going to try. Maybe I've got to try different ways to fulfill my purpose.
Interesting. So how do I get you out now?
You'll be able to help me, I know it. You're always using math to solve problems for other people, so why not try and use math to get me out?
But Tiny Tembo, you're so heavy. How will I get you out? Don't worry, I'll get you out of there.
Got it!
What's puzzling you, Kibena?
I'm trying to get Tiny Tembo out of the well, and I know he weighs 200 kilograms, so I know I need more than 200 kilograms to pull him out. But I'm not sure how much all these stones weigh, so I don't know how much weight I still need to lower the bucket and pull him out.
You know, these days I've been working out, and I can tell you this is 5 kilos.
Thanks, Ndege. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus the one you took, Ndege, that makes 11. 11 times 5 is 55. 200 minus 55 is 145. We still need 145 kilograms to match Tiny Tembo's weight, plus some extra kilograms to pull him out. We now have 125 kilograms, plus the 55 kilograms of the stones. We still need 20 kilograms to reach 200.
What about me? I weigh 22 kilos.
Na mimi nina kilo moja.
What about us? I weigh 1 kilogram and my chicks weigh 0.5 kilograms each.
Ngedere's 22 kilograms, plus Dachura's 1 kilogram, plus Mama Ndege's 1 kilogram, plus 0.5 kilograms for each chick equals 25 kilograms. We've done it! We have 205 kilograms in total. That's more than Tiny Tembo weighs. Woohoo! We can pull him out! Aha! I know what to present in class tomorrow.
Mzee Kigo, can I ask you something? I want to be successful and independent. What should I do?
You want to be independent? What do you mean?
I'd like to have my own place where I can rest and chill by myself if I don't want to see anyone.
You think that's possible, Tiny Tembo?
Yeah, I think so, Mzee Kigo.
Tiny Tembo, you have to be creative in different areas.
What business can I do?
Be creative. What business can someone as young as you start?
I'm serious, Mzee Kigo. Don't laugh at me.
Tiny Tembo, you sure are making me laugh.
Mzee Kigo, I'm tired. I'm going to rest under the tree.
I wonder what's in here. Money? Maybe it's rats. Pilau. But wait a minute. Who left this box up here?
Ouch!
Tiny Tembo, are you okay? Are you hurt?
More shocked than hurt. I thought I just got struck by lightning. But how did this box just fall from the tree?
Wait, did they see me? Let me climb down before they do. What's up, Tiny Tembo? Me. I'm so tired. I had a long journey.
A box fell on poor Tiny Tembo. Look, I think he's hurt.
Ooh, let's open and see.
This box fell on me, so whatever is inside is now mine.
Actually dropped the box, so it's mine.
I thought you said you came from a long journey.
Whoa. This box
It
is
fell on
mine.
me, so it's mine.
Let go,
No,
let go, it's mine.
No, it's
Let
mine.
go
Give it.
of my
Why
box.
are you both fighting?
Monkey?
How many
Let's all
times
calm
I have to
down,
tell you?
please.
It's my box. It's just beads. I thought it was gonna be pilau. You keep it. I've got places to be.
The
people
only
to
thing
see.
that matters to you is pilau, right? Tiny Tembo, I'm going to go home now, but I'm really happy that you two have stopped fighting. Now listen, you just continue gathering up your beads, and thank you very much for helping me plant corn, okay?
You're welcome.
Okay, bye, Tiny Tembo.
I can sell these beads and get money, and I can live on my own. How do I sell them? You know what? I have to sit down and make a good business plan. Man, if I sell all these beads, not only will I be able to get my own place, but I'll be able to take a vacation.
Hi, Tiny Tembo. I always seem to bump into you. What you got there? Kibena! Kibena, how good to see you. I have an idea I want to share with you. I'm so happy I bumped into you.
So what's up? What you got there?
So here's the thing. I found this box and it's full of beads. Totally full. Right up to the brim. Full of beads.
So where are you taking them?
I don't know yet. What do you think I should do with them?
Tiny Tembo, you're funny. You're holding something and you don't even know what to do with them? This is a good business opportunity. You can make decorations, necklaces, and bracelets. And people will buy them.
So you're telling me I can make some serious money?
Of course.
Oh, so it's true when they say your fortune can change overnight.
Yes, and you should work hard for it and don't be lazy. As soon as you wake up, you start hustling.
You're totally right, Kibena. So, I got this box while I was working earlier with Mzekigo.
How did you get it?
I was chilling under a tree. It's kind of a long story.
Tell me now.
First, I gotta say, work hard for your money and remember to save. Then have some fun and go see some new things. Then have some fun and go see some new places. Work hard for your money and remember to save. Then have some fun and go see some new things. Then have some fun and go see some new places.
Tiny Tembo, you have such a good voice.
Hey guys, what's up? Nice song there, Tiny Tembo.
Hey Kiduchu, it's good to see you.
Your voice is carried all the way to my house. Hey, what's in the box?
We want to make some necklaces and bracelets to sell.
All right, let's go sit somewhere and start making them.
Tiny Tembo, what do you think of that idea?
I think that's a great idea.
All right, let's go. This is hard work.
That's why I didn't want to make them.
Tiny Tembo. Could you? You don't even have fingers.
You know what? Let me go and borrow some necklace and bracelet samples from Grandma.
Kibena, go, go, go. Get us those samples so we can learn our go.
Kibena,
go, go, go. Get us those samples so we can learn our go.
Tiny Tembo, here you go.
Wow, they're so pretty. Did you ask Grandma if we could borrow them? Because you shouldn't just take stuff without asking. That's not good manners.
Of course. Before I take anything, I always ask. And whatever I take, I don't ruin. I return in perfect condition.
Kibena, you have very nice manners.
What? You thought I didn't?
So, how much can we sell these beads for? I want to make some real money.
Let's sell each bead for 1 shilling.
So, we have to know how many beads are in a necklace so that we can know how much to sell the necklace for. Guys, how should we go about this?
That's easy, Tiny Tembo. Let's count every bead one by one. Kibena, let's start with that one.
Which one?
That one, Kibena.
Oh, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. What? No.
At this rate, we'll be counting all day. There must be an easier way to know how many beads are in a necklace rather than this way, Kiduchu.
There's Nzakigo. Maybe he can help us.
Tiny Tembo, you still have your beads.
Yes, Mzekigo. We want to make bracelets and necklaces with them.
Of course I will. I can definitely teach you an easier way by arranging numbers into place values, thus being able to more easily add up values.
Kigo, everything with you is maths.
That's so true.
This bracelet has 29 red beads and 9 blue beads. You see? Look, I've also got these 10 boxes that hold 10 beads each. Let's put 10 red beads in here and another 10 red beads here. So that's 20 red beads. So we have 9 red beads left. It's not enough to fill a box of 10. And we have 9 blue beads. Between these reds and blues, we have enough to fill another box of 10. You see? Now, let's carry this over to join the other 10s and see how many we have in total. Are you guys with me? You understand? It's simple, huh?
So, we have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 38.
Ah, now I understand. I remember learning about ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands.
That's right, Kibena. But there's even an easier way to do it than just counting it up. Let's set it up as an equation. What should we put here?
We have 29 red beads plus 9 blue beads. 9 plus 9 equals 18.
18!
That's right. So that's 8 ones and 1 10. And now we carry it over just like we did when we moved the beads. So let's put the 8 into the ones place. And now we have one group of 10. So we need to add that to the other 10s. It carries over. You see?
What's 1 plus 2?
3.
So 29 plus 9 equals 38.
You see how much easier this is than to count each individual bead one by one? This is called grouping and carrying. Is it a bit clearer now?
It's much clearer now. Wait, I'll only make 38 shillings. I can't even buy a bunch of bananas for that. That's such a shame, Tiny Tembo.
Business is maths, Tiny Tembo.
I'm liking the sound of this, but how about the necklaces? How can I sell each necklace for? Let me calculate it using the grouping method, just like Mzekigo taught us.
I have 36 yellow beads plus 27 green beads. Let's lay them out in tens and ones first. $10, 20, 30, and 6. 36 yellow beads. And 10, 20s, and 7. 27 green beads. So we have ones on their own and tens on their own. Wow, this is like organizing a party.
6 plus 7 equals how much? 13. In 13, we have 3 ones and 1 10.
Keep going, Kibena. You're on a roll.
This 10 carries over into the tens place. Now we have 3 10s plus 2 10s makes 5 10s. If we were to add 1 10, we just carried over. We got 6 10s.
Nice one. Keep going.
So now we have 1 plus 3 plus 2. I'm getting it.
That's easy. It's 6.
This is so easy.
Yeah.
See, the answer is 63. Do you all see?
This will make more money than the bracelet itself, but how much would we get if we sell both of them together?
Mzakigo, should I add them together?
But this time, no need to draw the beads to guide you. Just place the numbers into their ones and tens column and add them up, just like you did before. And remember, I'm always here to help if you get stuck. What are you waiting for, Kibena? You can start.
These are the boxes.
So now we need to fill them.
We counted altogether 38 beads in the bracelet. And 63 beads altogether in the necklace. If we add 8 and 3 together, we get 11. In 11, there are 1 ones and 1 tens. We write 1 in the 1 place value or column and carry the 10 to the 10 place value.
Yup, you got it. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10.
In total, it's 101.
Congratulations, Kibena. You've got it. Well, it looks like my work here is done. I'll see you later.
Yay! 101 shillings. Now, I think we should make several bracelets and necklaces and sell them as a set. That way, we'll be in the money way quicker.
But we can sell them both individually or in sets. What do you think?
Great idea, Kibena. Grab the string and we'll start working. I bet I can beat you at beading. Adding them up is easy peasy if you line them up in a row. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, add them up and off we go. Adding them up is easy peasy if you line them up in a row. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, add them up and off we go.
There is a saying that goes, no pain, no gain. This box hurt me when it fell on me, but now look, I have a nice small business.
Hey guys, what's up?
I'm cool. Young Gedere, what's going on?
Are you feeling better now? Sorry for dropping that box on you. Hey, what's this?
Wow, they look beautiful. Where are they from?
We made them ourselves.
All by yourselves? You really are talented. Oh, wow!
Whoa!
Kadere, don't you think they are pretty?
I've no money.
What do you mean you have no money? Have you spent all your money on
What are you,
now?
a salesman?
Guys, tell me, how did you count all those beads?
Mzakigo taught us addition using grouping of place values.
That's very true. In addition, it's important to know place values. Place what? That's right, place values. Because you can group numbers in ones, tens, even hundreds and thousands.
You know, Uncle T,
Tell me,
additions and carrying over is easy.
is it? Tell me more.
Addition with carrying now. Follow the order.
Follow the order.
Of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands. Addition with carrying now. Follow the order.
Follow the order.
Of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands.
Now listen carefully. There's no rush. Just understand the grouping method used. When additions need caring, please listen carefully. Now open your eyes, please. Write 29. Write another 9. Under the 29, you see 2 place values, tens and ones. You see the number 2, this is place value 10. So we have 2 in tens, that's altogether 20. The number 9 is in place value ones. Don't be surprised, means there are 9 ones. Now let's add using this example. Start with ones. 9 plus 9, how much do you get? This is so much fun. You know what? You know what? You know what? You get 18. Now write the 8 in the ones column and then carry the 10 to the tens column. Now the tens have increased. Now we have 3 tens. Do you understand? It's not that hard. Sing.
Addition with carrying now. Follow the order. Of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands. Addition with carrying now. Follow the order of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands. Addition with carrying now. Follow the order of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands. Addition with carrying now. Follow the order of place values, ones and tens, hundreds hundreds and thousands. Addition with caring now. Follow the order of place values, ones and tens, hundreds and thousands.
Follow the order.
Mzekigo, I have some great news.
What's the news, Tiny Tembo?
Should I tell you something?
What's that, Tiny Tembo?
What I learned today.
You learned how to add using grouping of ones and tens.
I learned more than that, Mzekigo. You wait and I'll tell you.
And what's that?
I learned that in order to lead a happy life, you need to work together with others, helping each other. This way, you learn a lot of things. Don't you agree, Mzekigo?
That's very true, Tiny Tembo. There is a time to work alone and a time to work alongside one another.
It's good to work together, teaching each other new things. You never know what you can learn.
Exactly.